we're going to take a look at how to manage a class notebook and add a reading log section to it. I'm starting off by going to office.com and logging in to my Office 365 account. From here, the home dashboard, I can find the Class Notebook app. If you can't see it on your dashboard, search All Apps for Class Notebook. Click on Class Notebook to open the management system. I'm going to select Manage Notebooks, and I'm going to choose the Year 6 example notebook to manage. And I want to add a section to it called Reading Log. Click Add Section and then type in the title of the section. Click Save. At this point, you can also decide whether you want to lock or unlock the collaboration space on the class notebook. I'm going to leave mine unlocked. Once I've created the section, I can open the notebook and add the details of the reading log. Here's one I created earlier. I've got a section called Reading Log, and I'm writing the main page to distribute to the rest of the class. I've called my page Class 5 Reading Log. I've put some instructions here, and I've created a table by going to Insert and Table. I've also completed a first line of the log as an example, where I've got the date and the details and the actual recording. To make your recording, click where you want the recording to go to the Insert tab and click Audio. Once you click Audio, be ready to read your example. Striker Boy, Chapter 1. In the net. Nat hit the ball with phenomenal power. When you've finished your recording, click Stop. The recording will be inserted at your cursor point in the table. I'm going to delete this one. Once we've got our page ready, we can go to the Class Notebook tab and distribute the page. We're going to send it to all the students by clicking Distribute the Page, choosing the section we want it to go to. We've already created that section called Reading Log. Then click Distribute. This page will go to all the different pupils. I can check another pupil just to see that the Reading Log section is there and the page has been distributed. Now it's all ready for the children to start adding their details and collecting their audio recordings.